Hello friends, back again at the Boy Eamon channel. Considering that many people are infected with the coronavirus outbreak or COVID-19, I as the admin ask for his cooperation to prevent and fight the coronavirus. Here are some steps you can take to prevent infection with the coronavirus or COVID-19. Wash hands properly. Use a mask. Maintain endurance. Don't go to an infected country. Avoid contact with animals that have the potential to transmit the coronavirus. So guys, before continuing to the video, I beg for support from friends to like and subscribe this channel.
For the United States military, laser in the air is more than just a weapon that is potentially useful for frying enemy aircraft, or protect American aircraft from anti-aircraft missiles. They can also be a key component of ballistic missile defense. Manned aircraft or drones, armed with high-powered lasers and flying North Korea and other countries, can disable ballistic missiles during the initial driving phase of their flight. The Chinese military procurement website recently posted a notice about the laser attack pod, according to the government-run Global Times newspaper. Project details are registered as confidential, something the U.S. military did when publishing notifications for sensitive projects on the FedBizOps procurement site. When equipped with aircraft, the laser has the potential to protect against incoming missile attacks and dominate in close combat, the Global Times said. Chinese media noted that the laser attack pod showed that the device might be a tactical laser in the air. If it is the laser designed to guide the smart bomb, it will be called a laser guide pod. Yu Tang, a military affairs program on Chinese state television, claims that China has developed a prototype 100 kilowatt laser airgun. That points to a paper, titled Study of Cross-Laser Power Energy Storage and Power Supply. Lasers in the air will not be the first laser weapons in China. At the 2018 Air Show in China, Chinese state-owned Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation launches LW-30 air defense and missile laser, which can use directional high-energy laser emitting directional to intercept air targets such as photoelectric guidance equipment, drones, guided bombs and mortars. The company told the Global Times. Other countries are working on laser weapons, including Russia says a sixth-generation fighter might eventually be armed with laser weapons, while in 2017, the United States Air Force awarded Lockheed Martin a $26 million contract for the development of air lasers in 2021. The project, titled Self-Protect High-Energy Laser Viewer, or SHIELD, will consist of a laser, a pod to supply power and cooling, and a beam control system to focus the laser on the target. This still leaves questions, such as whether a laser beam that is strong enough can be focused long enough to destroy a fast-moving target such as an airplane, missiles and drones. Even so, moving laser weapons in the air are bearing fruit. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.